For 5C as technology coordinator, I work with JDTV, with the staff and students so that they can be more involved in learning how to use technology, how to make videos. And we also reach out locally and partner with people such as Regions. She came to speak with us about, and the students, about credit score, how to start building your credit, how to start saving, how to budget. She's been with the Regents for 18 years. And so that's how I reached Standard 5C, reaching out globally. Of course, this YouTube can be watched from anywhere on any device. And so we try to keep the stakeholders in the community involved so that the transition will be smooth for our students from high school, out of high school, into college or into the workforce. We also pay tribute to the military daily by the singing of the Star Spangled Banner, as well as a moment of silence for those who are serving our country. Once again, Regents was very instrumental. They even talked with our kids who were 18 and older on how much they needed to open with a checking account, how to write checks. They partnered with our career tech teachers. It was just really, really a great day.